American muscle cars guaranteed to accelerate your pulse. When you hear muscle car, your mind may immediately think of classic American muscle cars such as the Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, or Chevrolet Corvette. While these models are well known and loved, American automotive history is also filled with many other beautiful muscle car models that have been forgotten. Here are 24 classic American muscle cars that deserve to be remembered. 1. The AMC Javelin was launched by American Motors in 1968 to introduce a fast car that would boost sales and alter the public perception of AMC. The Javelin successfully achieved both goals and was produced until 1974. The lineup included 3 options: the Javelin, Javelin SST, and Javelin AMX, all featuring 4 seats with high-back vinyl bucket seats. In 1971, Chuck Michigan revamped the design by adding new front fenders and bold raised blisters over the wheels, giving it the feel of an expensive European exotic. 2. The Pontiac GTO, the Judge, is a well-known car, but the 1969 variant, known as the Judge, stands out as a memorable model. Renowned as the best muscle car in its price range, it boasted a Ram Air 3 V8 engine, 366 horsepower, and a 4-speed manual transmission. 3. The Mercury Cyclone Spoiler 2 is a legendary car. Designed by Ford stylists to feature an extended nose as part of the Cyclone package, this model was intended for release in 1970 to meet NASCAR certifications. However, the program was canceled, resulting in only a few of these cars being sold. Initially, many people doubted the existence of this car until an original model was showcased at Ford's 100th anniversary celebration. Supposedly, only one model exists, equipped with a 429 engine, capable of reaching a top speed of 100 miles per hour, and featuring a 4-speed manual transmission. 4. The Oldsmobile 442 W30 was known as one of the fastest muscle cars of its time, thanks to its W Machine package. The name itself reveals what's under the hood. The 442 designation signifies a 4-barrel carburetor, a 4-speed manual transmission, and a dual exhaust system. Equipped with a stock 455 SID V8 engine, this car boasted an impressive 370 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. 5. The Buick Skylark GSX is a prime example of Buick's foray into the muscle car market. Despite being known for luxury, Buick also offered some impressive muscle in their lineup. The Skylark GSX boasted 350 to 420 horsepower and was priced at $4,198 when it was first released in 1970. This model was Buick's response to the muscle car craze of the 70s and remains a popular display in showrooms nationwide. 6. The Dodge Dart Swinger 340 is the lesser-known little brother of the Challenger, but its 340 V8 engine made it a real contender in the muscle car era. Hemmings described the Dart Swinger 340 as a base model 2-door hardtop Dart. The Swinger 340 featured dual exhaust, Raleigh suspension, a heavy-duty limited slip differential with 3.23-to-1 gears, 3.55 or 3.91 were optional, and the buyer's choice of a heavy-duty TorqueFlite automatic or manual 4-speed transmission. 7. The Plymouth Roadrunner Superbird is known for its distinctive nose cone that enthusiasts can spot from miles away. You may recognize this car if you're a NASCAR fan or if you've watched Disney's Cars. Designed for one simple purpose, to win NASCAR races, the Superbird excelled, winning 33 of 48 races in 1970. However, it performed a little too well, leading to NASCAR banning the model for good. 8. The 1970s were full of beautiful muscle cars, and the AMC Rebel Machine was another standout in the lineup. Known for its bold color options, this gem featured a 340 horsepower 390 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed, close-ratio transmission, a Hurst shifter, a lighted 8,000 RPM hood tachometer, Ram Air 3.54-to-1 or 3.91-to-1 rear axles, heavy-duty shocks and springs, a low back-pressure dual exhaust system, front and rear sway bars, 15-inch raised white leather tires, styled wheels, high back bucket seats, and power disc brakes, as reported by Old Cars Weekly. 9. Ford Torino Cobra. In 1970, spending an extra $155 on Ford's drag pack option for the all-new 1970 Torino Cobra would have been a wise choice. Priced at $3,270, it came equipped with a 360-horse Thunderjet 4-barrel V8, Code N, Hurst-shifted toploader 4-speed, competition suspension with 14x7-inch wheels with white letter tires, blacked-out hood and grille, hood pins, specific moldings, and logos on a striking all-new body. You could get a Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 LS6 with all the add-ons for around $5,000. While this may seem inexpensive by today's standards, back then, it was on par with the cost of a Corvette, making it quite pricey for the average car enthusiast. Motor Trend conducted a test in 1969 pitting the Chevelle against a Plymouth Roadrunner 446 pack and a Ford Torino Cobra 429. The Chevy outperformed both competitors with a legendary 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.0 seconds, setting a new standard for speed during that era. 11. The Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is the overshadowed cousin of the Camaro, known for its reputation in muscle car culture, particularly from films like Smokey and the Bandit. The 1970 Firebird came stock with the 345 horsepower Ram Air 400 SID V8. While there were options to upgrade the engine, only 88 out of the original 196 buyers chose to do so, indicating that fans were satisfied with the power provided by the Ram Air 400 SID V8. 12. The Mercury Cougar Eliminator is often regarded as the absolute zenith of the original muscle car era. The 1969 and 1970 models were the pinnacle of their power, but as horsepower and compression ratios decreased, the car lost its appeal. It was later reincarnated as the iconic 5.0 Mustang GT in 1982, a model that is still widely recognized and cherished today. 13. The Buick Skylark Grand Sport, Buick's contribution to the muscle car era, featured the GS Grand Sport package introduced in 1965. This package enhanced the suspension, brakes, and handling, making it a strong competitor on both the streets and drag strips. According to Alden American, if you come across a Skylark Grand Sport and wish to own it, be prepared to pay anywhere from $40,000 to $140,000, depending on the model and its condition. 14. The Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS 454 was introduced in 1970 and was loved for combining the luxury of a full-size personal coupe with the power of a muscle car. It was powered by a massive 7.4-liter V8 engine, delivering impressive acceleration and straight-line performance. The Monte Carlo SS 454 quickly gained a reputation for its sleek design and powerful performance on the road. With its distinctive styling elements and large engine, it became a favorite among car enthusiasts looking for a balance of comfort and speed. The combination of luxury features and high-performance capabilities made the Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS 454 a standout model in automotive history, capturing the hearts of many drivers during its time on the market. 15. The Dodge Charger Daytona, introduced in 1969, was designed for one purpose: dominating the NASCAR racetrack. Popular for its aerodynamic styling, which included a distinctive rear wing and extended nose cone, both features helped it achieve higher speeds and improved stability on oval tracks. Powered by a range of potent V8 engines, including the legendary 426 Hemi, the Charger Daytona was a force to be reckoned with on the racetrack. Today, it remains an icon of American automotive history and a highly coveted collector's item. 16. The Ford Fairlane 500 R-Code was produced in the early 1960s, with only 57 models made. It was equipped with the powerful 427 cubic inch V8 engine, known as the R-Code engine, making it one of the most potent production cars of its time. According to Topspeed, the 427 side-oiler design was one of Ford's best racing motors, producing an impressive 425 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 480 foot-pounds of torque. The car featured a 4-speed manual top-loader transmission and a special design, making it ideal for racing. 17. Oldsmobile and Hurst Performance collaborated to create the Oldsmobile Hurst Olds. Based on the Oldsmobile Cutlass, this car featured a distinctive black and gold color scheme. It was powered by a range of high-performance V8 engines, including the legendary 455 cubic inch Rocket V8 engine. The Hearst Olds was not only known for its powerful engine but also for its unique styling cues, such as the distinctive hood with functional air scoops and the iconic Hearst dual-gate shifter. This combination of performance and style made the Oldsmobile Hearst Olds a legendary car among muscle car enthusiasts. Its limited production numbers and racing heritage have solidified its status as a highly sought-after collector's item in today's automotive market. 18. Do you remember the Plymouth GTX? Introduced in 1967, this car was Plymouth's response to the increasing desire for high-performance muscle cars. Built on the Belvedere platform, it offered powerful engine choices, such as the iconic 426 Hemi V8. The GTX quickly became a top choice for drag racers and street enthusiasts due to its winning combination of speed and style on the road. The Plymouth GTX was a true gem of its time, capturing the hearts of many enthusiasts with its powerful performance and sleek design. Its reputation on the drag strips and streets solidified its place in automotive history as a legendary muscle car. Even today, the legacy of the Plymouth GTX lives on through the admiration of classic car collectors and fans who appreciate its timeless appeal and roaring engine that echoes through the corridors of time. 19. AMC Matador Machine. American Motors Corporation aimed to break into the muscle car market with the Matador machine. This package featured performance enhancements like a heavy-duty suspension, improved brakes, and unique graphics. According to Auto Evolution, the 1971 machine boasted power disc front brakes, heavy-duty springs, shocks, anti-roll bars on both ends, and Kelsey Hayes 5-spoke wheels with Goodyear Polyglass white-lettered tires, giving the Matador machine both style and substance on the road. This combination of performance upgrades and visual enhancements set it apart in a competitive market, appealing to car enthusiasts looking for a blend of power and aesthetics. The AMC Matador machine became a notable contender in the muscle car scene, showcasing American Motors Corporation's commitment to delivering innovative vehicles that catered to drivers seeking both speed and style. Its legacy continues to resonate with automotive enthusiasts as a unique offering from an era known for iconic muscle cars. 20. The Buick Wildcat was named after the powerful and agile African wildcat, giving insight into the nature of this impressive car. In 1954, the Wildcat boasted 195 to 200 horsepower, enabling it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 10 seconds and reach speeds of a little over 110 miles per hour, which was quite remarkable for its time. A total of 982 Centuries were produced in 1954, marking a successful debut year for the car. The Buick Wildcat garnered a strong reputation for its performance capabilities and sleek design. Its powerful engine and impressive acceleration made it a standout in the automotive world. The success of the Wildcat's debut year solidified its place as a popular choice among car enthusiasts. The legacy of the Buick Wildcat as a symbol of power and speed continues to resonate with collectors and fans of classic cars to this day. 21. The Chevrolet Nova SS was introduced in 1962 as Chevrolet's compact muscle car offering. Despite its small size, the Nova SS packed a punch with its range of potent V8 engines, including the legendary 327 and 396 cubic inch options. According to J.D. Power, Chevrolet initially introduced the SS package for 1963 Nova convertibles and sport coupe hardtops to give the car a sporty look, although the engine was not powerful enough. However, Chevrolet later introduced a V8 option that produced 195 horsepower, and eventually increased to 220 horsepower. Another option offered 155 horsepower with the 3.8-liter turbo thrift engine. 22. The Dodge Coronet Super B was based on the Coronet platform and was available with a range of V8 engines, including the legendary 426 Hemi that delivered 425 horsepower. Easily recognizable by its Bumblebee graphics, the Super B also offered a popular 6-pack option, featuring a trio of 2-barrel Holley carburetors feeding a 440 SID V-8 all hidden beneath a pinned-down, flat black fiberglass hood. 23. The Ford Galaxy 500 XL was available in various body styles in 1964, including hardtop, sedan, convertible, and station wagon, with options for 2 or 4 doors. This muscle car was equipped with a powerful V8 engine, the legendary 427 cubic inch R-code V8. It was renowned for its speed and was a favorite among drag strip enthusiasts during its time. 24. The Plymouth Fury GT was introduced in 1969 as Plymouth's mid-size muscle car offering. It was based on the Fury platform, and the GT package included performance upgrades like heavy-duty suspension, enhanced brakes, and distinctive styling cues. The car was offered with a variety of powerful V8 engines, including the legendary 440 cubic inch Super Commando V8, known for its impressive acceleration and straight-line performance. Rev up your support for CarSwagger. Subscribe to stay in the fast lane for the latest car reviews, exciting adventures, and expert insights. Hit that like button if you're a true car enthusiast. Drop a comment with your favorite car model or what you'd love to see next. Don't forget to share the horsepower. Spread the word by sharing this video with your fellow gearheads. Join the CarSwagger community and let's drive into the future together.